loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brianna. If you're new, welcome. So obviously you guys can see by the beginning of the video, on today's video I am showing you guys this beautiful synthetic wig. Y'all, I haven't done a synthetic wig, or I haven't worn like a synthetic wig in like a very long time. I want to say like probably like within a year I haven't worn one, but today I just had to come on camera and show you guys this particular wig. Before we get into everything regarding the wig, don't forget to subscribe down below to my channel and give your girl a thumbs up on this video, and let's go straight into the video. Reviewing this wig, it is the Butta Unit 25. I know a lot of the girlies love this particular collection that they do have. I've never worn any other wig. This is my first time wearing this particular collection. Now, what I will say is it's a beautiful wig all in all, but it does have its cons. It's a very long wig, and so since it is a long wig, you already know you're going to experience even more tangling right off the bat. I haven't even worn this wig probably like a good 2 hours, and it's already tangling up super bad. I'm having to go through my comb a lot, on my fingers a lot. And with that being said, it's also shedding a lot as well. I know that you use some type of product to help with the tangling, but I don't know with the shedding part. So that in itself is well, those two things are a con itself. I know the tangling will come with longer wigs, synthetic wigs, but in this case, I prefer not to be so much tangling already, and I haven't even worn the wig that long. Now, it does come with a very wide parting. That is a bonus. I like that. And it also comes pre-plugged, but my head is more of a, bigger size head. I don't know the actual circumference measurements of my head or the shape or whatever, but I know my head is on the bigger side, and with this particular wig I'm already sitting right here, and I know if I try to do a different style, it's not going to work out, because on the sides my hair is already sticking out because it's snug. This wig is very snug on my head. It doesn't necessarily fit, so that's another con with it. It does come pre-plucked, which is great, but at the same time for me, it's not really given in that case. So if anybody has more of a medium, smaller size head, it will work perfectly. So is this wig worth it to me to purchase? With the cons that I am experiencing and the price of it, if the price was around $40 something, I think I paid close to $60. I will have it in the description box down below. I don't think it's worth it as far as the pricing, give it a try. I would say cut it. I'm most likely probably going to cut this wig because the curls on this wig, I don't know if you guys can see, the curls are beautiful. They give more of a loose, beachy type wave. I don't know, my camera is not really giving yeah, they give you more these beachy type waves, and I really love them. And with the color in this little what do you want to call it, this little blonde strip in the front, it's giving so much, and that's really what sold me on this particular wig because of that alone. And I also forgot to mention, you guys, this is more on the silky side. I'm leaning more towards more on the silky side, if you're wanting to know that. In real life it is. So if you want to get some dry shampoo to dim it down, the shine, for me I don't think it's bad at all, but just in case if you're wondering about that. I also forgot to mention that this wig, the density of it is probably given at a 150. Density wise, it's not too thick and it's not too thin. Let me see if I can show you the back as well. So here is the back. Here are the curls in the back. I don't know if you guys can see. So it is a very long wig. Overall, out of 5 stars for me, I would probably give it a 3. The length it's a long, pretty synthetic wig, but for me the cons outweigh the pros on this wig. So yeah, that's just the bottom line. It's still a gorgeous unit, so if you're wanting to try it out, especially if you have more of a regular small size, you know, shape of a head, I would definitely give this a try. And see how you like it. Let me know down in the comment section if you've already purchased this wig. How did it work out for you guys? And I will have it in the description box down below. So yeah, that was my little review on this Butta unit number 25 wig. Hopefully I will be back with more synthetic units. I've just been rocking, trying to get my natural hair to grow back. So, but other than that, I will try to bring more units. Let me know if you're wanting to see that. Again, thank you guys so much for watching my video, and don't forget to make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below to my channel. And until next time guys, bye.